Just a little sample of what I got planned today. Something's gonna be getting replaced today. Wonder what it is. So that didn't take too long. Not too bad. Got the grill and all that. Got the outer chrome piece, which is black, now removed. It says to leave that on while you cut this out, but I didn't like the idea of that, so I've been cutting this, cutting out the middle of the. As you can see, I've separated the plastic GMC grill from the plastic housing. Next thing's going on is going to be this mesh grill. This is just a mock fit. I am going to re-plastic dip the grill, but this is just a mock-up before I drill it in. That's what it looks like afterwards. Well, finally, after a big, long fucking ordeal, I got it mounted and it's not really flopping around, so fuck it. Strap it in and see what happens. This isn't the finished product, but test fitment. And I got, like I said, I got to redo this. The black on the outside, flat. God damn, it looks good. This is a finished product. I've yet to take her to the wash bay, but anyways, not sure if I'm going to do a light bar behind the grill or not. Probably going to, and I added a Z71. And just kind of a little exit intro. Looking good, man. I like it. Gets my dick real hard.